what's going on? My name is Michael Polino. I'm here today at Jones Technical Institute here in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm here today to show you on how to use and properly operate the brake lathe. First thing you need to do once you have your rotor, you need to find the correct backing plate that would fit inside here, so where it would fit flush against the brake lathe. Then you would take your tool, which once you tighten this up, it'll grasp the inside of the rotor, so that way it won't move. Now, once you have it so where it won't bounce when it's moving, you put the mounting brackets on so that way you won't have any excess movement when it's going. Then you put your mounting nut on. Now on these brake lathes, they are reverse threaded. So left would be to making it tighter, and going right would make it loose. There. Now it's tight. Now you can put the adjustments on the rotor and turn it to where it is in spec. My name is Michael Polino. I'd like to thank you for tuning in. My name is Michael Polino, once again here at Jones Technical Institute here in Jacksonville, Florida. I will see you guys next time.